Hello, hello, rockers. Well, here we have a new playlist. We are talking about the book Verity. Here we are, yes. We've read it a year ago. And now, as the movie comes, yes, in October 2026, yes, with excellent actresses and actor, yes, well, oh, that's to deal with. So, the question is, are you ready to read it again or are you ready to read it for the first time? So we invite you, okay, to read it, to accompany. Yes, we will work on it. And for those who are having it on demand, welcome. Well, this is the first time we do this. And we invite you to enjoy the reading, okay? So here what we got. It is Verity by Colleen Hoover. She's got a lot of stories and most of them are coming into being turned into movies, all her books. So clap, clap, clap. It says here, yes, what happens when a writer is invited to finish another author's best-selling book series and discovers a manuscript containing secrets that were never meant to be read. Verity follows Lowen Ashley. This one is Dakota in the movie. A writer who is offered an extraordinary opportunity after Verity Crawford and Hathaway. Yes, a successful author can no longer continue writing. Lowen moves into the Crawford family home to examine Verity's notes and prepare for their next books. But she discovers something disturbing, a hidden manuscript that seems to reveal Verity's darkest thoughts and secrets. As Lowen continues reading, she begins to question everything she sees and everyone she meets. So, who's telling the truth? Can a story reveal the real person behind the author? And what happens when you discover something you never or you were never supposed to know? All right, we've got it in Spanish here. Look at it. Yes. Verity cuenta la historia de Lowen Ashley, una escritora que recibe la oportunidad de continuar una exitosa saga literaria después de que su autora, Verity Crawford, ya no puede hacerlo. Lowen llega a la casa de la familia Crawford para revisar el material de Verity y descubre un manuscrito secreto que contiene revelaciones inquietantes sobre su vida y sus pensamientos. A partir de ese momento, Lowen comienza a preguntarse qué es verdad y qué es ficción. ¿Podemos confiar en lo que leemos? ¿Puede un escritor esconder su verdadera identidad detrás de sus palabras? ¿Y qué ocurre cuando la ficción empieza a mezclarse con la realidad? Chan, chan, chan. So here, yes, we have Verity, Colleen Hoover, the book, opción on demand. Esa ya está ready to go. Sí, van a tener acceso a un classroom que está little by little. You can go on following, yes, from the beginning, each chapter, yes, different settings, the characters, literary devices, debatable questions, ¿sí? Todas ellas con un video. Ok, así que, y después va a haber un encuentro to talk about it, and finally, an encounter to compare the book. Pero eso ya sería después de October, cuando ya la peli salga, sí, en el cine, on the cinema. Así que once there, yes, once we got there will be a second chance to talk about the comparison between the movie and the series. Sorry, the book. So, in our book club, we'll explore the unreliable narrator. O sea, ¿quién confiamos? ¿Quién está diciendo la verdad, okay? Identity and deception, the power of writing. Absolutely. Secrets and interpretation. Truth versus fiction. Ethical dilemas. Verity plus the heroine's journey. Bien. Pueden ir chequeando, hay una playlist que habla del hero's journey, hay también del heroine's journey, ¿ok? You wanna read it, question it, and discuss it. Yeah, that's the idea. Don't just turn the pages. Dig into the story. Suffer ma ritorno. Okay, and as usual, we say, stay hungry, stay tuned, stay curious. Okay, and well, rock your English. We are here. Okay, so happy to be with you. Happy to accompany in this path to reading. Okay, so thank you and hope to see you there. Bye.